If I start this way, I'm going to have 3, bring multiplication here, 6, now have 18, bring this division here, divide by 18, equals to 1, this is what? Wrong. So, use BODMAS, bracket first, which is this, off, there's no off here, then division. After division, you go into multiplication. After multiplication, you go into addition. Subtraction is the last. So in this case, we start with the bracket. After the bracket, we can start with division, and that will be fine. Okay. Right, so now we're having 18 divided by 6, open the bracket, you have 3 plus 0 is 3, close the bracket. Then let's talk about division. 18 divided by 6, you're going to have 3. Bring this bracket down. This is the same as 3 times 3 equals to 9. So the correct answer is 9, not 1. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.